For over 100 years, SUNY Morrisville has prided itself on educational programs that reach out to students in very creative and innovative ways. The hallmark of a Morrisville education is the applied learning experience that we have in a wide array of classroom settings. Sometimes you'll be working with plants, sometimes animals, sometimes machines. No matter what your major may be, you will be learning with your peers and with faculty in settings that prepare you for your careers as professionals.
The Cannabis Studies minor is really the only kind of program like it around. From producing to growing to extracting, cultivation, everything is here. They teach you it all from seed to harvest.
We prepare our students for their careers by giving them experiences that not only give them the technical skills needed to succeed, but also the confidence to succeed as well.
I was part of Dairy Challenge, and that really gave me the opportunity to see other aspects of agriculture, especially in the dairy industry, and that actually helps me run my business every day and what I should look at to be more efficient.
The biggest benefit is the employment when they graduate. I mean, I think that would be probably the reason a lot of people go to college, is to pursue a career that they enjoy and they love. And so if you're a car person and you want to work on cars, not only just getting your degree, but having that job lined up when you graduate, I think that's huge.
The classrooms has totally evolved to be more hands-on, and I actually got that at SUNY Morrisville, and it was really helped me through my learning process.